We have a topic for us today, which is the title is Surds. Surd, S-U-R-D. So, have you been taught anything on sword before?
No, they say I'm going to teach us in SS3, but they told me something that has to do with root 3, root 2, all this.
Oh, so that is what we want to look at. That's what we want to look at right now. That at least you get equipped and prepared with it for your external exam. I want to believe that it's going to be possible. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll be sharing the screen with you as we. So, S-U-R-D. You hear sword, like you rightly said, it involves roots of numbers, particularly numbers that are not perfect square. If I give you root 4, it's not a sword because root 4 is actually 2, yes. So 2 is not a sword. It's not an irrational number. So this time around, let me give examples looking into various headings of swords. So, and under this category, I want to look at simplifying swords. Simplifying swords. So, now let me focus on the examples that are going to be solving. So simplify the following. Simplify the following. So the first question here says simplify root 50 by 50. So number 1 is root 50. Yes, to simplify root 50 simply means look for a number that, when you split 50 into two numbers, one of them must be a perfect square, and that is 25 times 2, such that you can simplify by splitting the root 25 times root 2. Then you have square root of 25 to be 5 times root 2. Then this time around you treat root 2 like a letter like x. So if root 2 is x, you can say 5 times x is 5x. So the final answer here is going to be 5 root 2. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now move to the second. Put that down. I like it. Yes.
So does that mean you must find the number? Two numbers
Yes. It might be more than it might even be more than 2, but at least some of those numbers that you're finding must have square roots or the perfect square.
Sir,
Yes.
what about since you use 25 times 2? What if you use something like 10 times 5?
10 doesn't have a perfect, it doesn't have a square, it's not a perfect square, and 5 is not a
So you
perfect
must
square.
surely use a perfect square.
Yes, you must surely use a perfect square. And that's otherwise, it might not be something you can simplify. Okay, let's check this one.
Okay.
Let's check this one. 3 into root 50. 2. 3 into root 50. Then the same way, that's 3 times 50. Then 3 times root 5 times 2. Then 3 times 5 times 2. So this is going to be 15, 2. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
We get another one. I see this one says root 72. Yes, root 72. Number 3, root 72. This time around, I have 36 times 2. Then that 36 times 2 into it. Then I have 6 root 2 as my answer. Then fourth one, 4. The 4 says 4 root 72. So it's more like the same thing. 4. The 4 says 4. Yeah, so number 4 says 4 root 70. That will be 4 times 36 times 2. And that is 4 times 6, 2. That is 4 times 6 is what?
4 times 6 is 4.
24. 24 answer. And this number 5, 1. For number 5, I have 300 root 300. The number 5, 300. And this is going to be 5 times 6. 5 times 6 300. Oh no, that should be 25 times 12 rather, not 6. So that means I can still have, because if I use 25 and 12, it's 50 times 6 that gives 300. So I can, let me erase that. So I can still use that 25. That means I will still have to break it down further. How about saying 5, 5. I don't even need to use 25. Let me go ahead and use 100. Because 100 times 2. You understand?
Okay.
100 times 3 is 300. So I have 100 times 3. And that is 100 because 100 is a perfect square. 3. Then I have 10 3. And that is 10 3. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I want to clear the screen now. Go to the next one. That's 7 root 300. Let me write through. Let me clean. That'll be so verse 6. Now number 6. Verse 6 says 7 root 300. So the same way it's 7 times 100 times 3. So it's going to be 7 times 10 Okay, right. So 100. 7 times 10 times 3, and that is going to be 73.
73.
And number 7, 7, I have root 75. 75, and that is 5 times 3. That is 5 times 3 plus 5 root 3. And number 8 says 3 root 75. 3 75. So that becomes 3 times 5. 3. That's going to be 15. Then number 9. I believe that is clear.
Yes, sir.
Number 9, 360. 360. 0. So again, I could use 36 times 10. Yeah, if I say 36 times 10 is 360. Then 36 and is 10. This is going to be 6 plus 10. But what about root 10? Can I split 10 into perfect squares? Obviously not, because you say 2 times 5, so it's not a perfect square.
Yeah.
5 is not a perfect square, you say. So it's only 2 times 5 or 10 times 1, and 10 is not a perfect square itself, so we leave it like that. Then number 10. 10 says 2 360. 2 360. This is going to be 2 times 6 10. That'll be 12 10. So I'll clear the screen now. So I can go for the next one. This question, which is 11. Let's see. Per level, that is 80. So do you think you can try that? Try number 11. I'm going to ask you to try number 11 and 12. So number 11 is 80. And 12. So 3 root 80. So just tell me your answers to the 2 when you're done.
Okay, sir. So I'm done.
Okay. What is the answer to the question?
4 root 5.
Okay. 4, 5. What about the second one?
12 root 5.
5. See, I think that's correct. I see it there. So that is 16 times 5. That's 5 as well. Then we have 4 times root 5, which is, well, that's correct. And the other one is going to be 3 times 4, 5, 12. Okay, there are more questions to go by today. So, number 13. 13 says root 8, and we're going to do this together. So, how do we split root 8 here?
4 and 2.
4 and 2, that is 4 and 2. And that, what's the final answer?
2 root 2.
2 root 2. And number 14 said, let's see, 5 root 144. 5 root 144. So, what do you think that should be?
12 times 12.
So, obviously, this is not a surd. 5 times 12, right?
Yes, sir.
And this is 60.
Yes.
The number 15 says 7 root 49. 7 root 49. So, what do you think this should be?
49. 7 times 7.
7 times 7, that's 49. Okay, number 16 said 7 roots 7 147. Yes.
147.
Yes. What do you think we should do then?
I'm trying to break it down.
Okay, try to see if you can get your answer then.
Okay, the answer is 147.
The answer is
7
what?
times 7 plus 3. 147.
Okay, so that is 7. So what did you use to split 147?
49 times 3.
Okay, 49 times 3. So that is 7 times 49 times 3, right?
Yes, sir.
That means 7 times root 49 times 3, and that will be 7 times 7 times root 3, and that will be 49 root 3, not 147. So with that, okay, there's one more. 7 root, that's last one under that aspect. 7 root 98. Yes, type 2.
Okay. The answer is 49 root 2.
49 root 2. That is 7 times 49 times 2. That is 7 times 2, which is 49. Okay. We move further to other types of examples on the sword. The one we have been looking at is simplifying sword. Then we want to move over to multiplying sword. That has to actually multiply some swords. What are they trying to do? So I'm playing the board now. So so multiplying sword. I will soon round up this class and give you another link. So that's it.
Okay, sir.
So while you can bring any kind of question relating to sword, and we're going to look at them in details. If you can't cover it today, over the next so next one is multiplying surds. Surds. So we're going to look at some examples. For one said root 2 times 3. 2 times 3. Since we are able to split sword before, then this time around we're able to combine sword. This is going to be 3. This is now 6. The answer. That's clear, right?
Yes, sir.
So now 2, 4, 3. Time around, say 4 times 3 is 4 4 times 3. And it's going to be, but they can give us back and say we should simplify again. Okay?
Okay.
So if they give us root 12 to simplify, your final answer will not be 4 root 3. It's going to be 2 root 3. And if they give you root 6 to simplify, it's going to be root 2 times 3. That just like say you should expand it. Then the next number 3, we have root 6 and 18. Root 6 mean 18 now. Root 6 and root 3. 6 root 3. Now looking at this, okay, I think this second one, instead of, because in an objective, you might not find this answer there. Yes, you might not find this answer in an objective, but if you find this answer there, fine. But if you didn't find it there, go for your 2 root 3. Okay?
Yes.
Go for your 2 root 3. It depends on what the question is trying to test. So 2 root 3. Now let's consider this one. This is going to be 6 times 3, and this will be 18. If this is in the objective, that's okay. But if it's not there, you can split it back 9 times 2, and that will be 3 roots. How did I get 3 roots?
Because it's splitted than 9.
Is that what? Because the square root of 9 is 4. So either this is finding your answer depending on what you're trying to test. But if it's theory, better you go to this one. Now, number 4, the root and the 4 times root 3. Root 4 times root 3. That is 24 times 3, and that is 72. 36 times 2. That will be 6 times 2. 5. 5 I have 5 times 3. 5 times 3. That will be 5 times 3, and that is 10. This time around we can't split that. So I believe that is clear.
Yes, sir.
Explain them for their examples. Okay, let me pause it now and give you another link. Stay tuned.
Okay.
Our example and the next example should be number 6. So still on Surds or multiplying. So multiplying Surds. So we're following the examples. Examples 6. We have 12 times 3. This is obviously 12 times 3. That's obviously 36. So number 7. The 7. I have 12. Okay, let me go for this one. Root 11 times 4. Root 11 times 4. So this time around, this is what I have. 11 times 4. And that is 44. Can we split this further into... Can we split this further?
No.
I think there's a big difference. I think there's a... So initially, I wouldn't have combined. I would just say square root of, yeah. So the answer should have been 2 times 11, which is 2 11. Because if you later get 44, you can split back 44 times 11, then you get this. So that's just a two-way around it. So number 8 is 10 times root 10 times 8. This is going to be root what? 80, right?
Yes.
And that will be 16 times what?
3.
No. 16 times 4 to give me 8. Times what?
Times 5.
5. It's going to be 4, 5. Okay?
Yes.
1, 9. For number 9, I have 20 times 40. 20 40. It's gonna be 8. So how do you split this? Yes. Is that 160 times what?
5.
And the 160 does not have, is not a perfect square, right? Or is it a perfect square? No, it's not a perfect square. So let's think again. Yes. Are you there now? Okay. Think of it this way. Think of 100 times 8 first, right? You know 100 is square root is 10, right? And the 8 you can still split it into 4 times 2. Yes or no? So then the 4 by that 2, 4 times 100 is what? So that should be 400 times 2, right?
Yes.
And what is square root of 4?
Square root of 4.
400. Square root of 400.
200.
No, 20.
20.
Yes. 400 times 2. That is 20 times 2, which is 20. 2. 20. So finally, under that aspect is one more example. 10 sample. So example 10, we have a square root of 20 times times square root of 80. Do this and tell me right.
Okay. Got 80 root 5.
So what do you get?
80 root 5.
80 root 5. So what's your step next? Let's combine, right?
No, I didn't combine.
Okay, you didn't combine. Okay, let's. Now what did you do?
Splitted the 80.
Straight away,
Splitted the 80.
the 80, right?
Yes.
Or the 20?
I splitted the 80
80, okay, into what?
into 16 and 5. 16 times 5.
10 times 5. Okay. What about the 20?
No, so it's 10 times 2. 5 times. I just left it like that.
This should have been what? 4 times 5. Right?
Yes.
So then when you now say
2
what?
times 5.
2 root 5 times what? 4
Root 5.
5. So you can still multiply it with 4 times 5 times 5, right?
Yes.
That will be 8 times 5. And what is root of 25?
5.
So your answer is 40. But if you had combined initially, it should have been 80 times 20, right?
Yes, sir.
And 80 times 20 is what?
1,600.
1,600, and the square root is 40. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, okay, here, done with that aspect. Now, we want to go to addition of surds. Addition of surds. When they say if you had two surds together, what are they actually demanding from you? So let's see. Addition surds. Okay, so look at examples here. One. So they're given something like 2 root 3 plus 5 root 3. So what do you think we should do under this aspect?
I
Let's
don't know.
okay. Let me tell you something here straight away. Forget about root three. Okay.
Yes.
What is 2 plus 5?
7.
5. So now, if you are bringing root 3 back, let's say it's 2x plus 5x. What would that be?
7x.
The same thing is what we do. So what's my answer now? 7
7
up.
root 3.
Okay.
Yes.
That is it. Then number 2. 2 root 3 plus 5, 6. 2, 3, 5, 6. Now this time around, this is root 3 and this is root 6. Okay?
Yes, sir.
This is more like saying 2x plus 5y. Can we add them together?
No.
Aha, they are not the same. They are not the same. So unless you can split these, and if you split it into root 2 and root 3, the only thing you probably do to factorize, and you are even not adding, you're just compounding your division. Let's try something there. 2 root 3 plus 5 root 3
3
times root 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So you now factorize and see what is common, only root 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Then 2 plus 5, 2. So this is the only thing that is possible there. Okay?
Okay.
Because you've divided both sides by 3. So take note of that. I purposely leave this here so that you can refer to them. Now number 3. So you can see the principle we are using in Surds is the same thing as the principle we are using in the other mathematics. So 2 root 3 plus 5 root 12. 2 root 3 plus 5 12. So we have 2 root 3 plus 5 root 4 times 3. That's 2 root 3 plus 5 times 2 root 3. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And 2 root 3 plus 10. And what is my answer?
12 root 3.
Correct. 7 root 3. So you can put that down as well.
Okay.
So let me know when you're done.
I'm done.
Okay. Down the screen. Then the next one. Still on addition of Surds. Yeah, that's that one. Now, four 4. That is 2 root 3 plus 5 root 27. 2, 3, 5, 5 root 7. That will be 2 root 3 plus 5 9 times 3. That is 3 plus 5 times 3. 3. 2 root 3 plus 10. That is 17. 3. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
5. We'll try this one. 2 30 plus 6 120. 30 plus 6 120. So try this.
Okay, sir. Okay. 14 with 30.
Are you true?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what did you get?
14 with 30.
30. Let's see. If you try to split this, can you split 30? What about what about 120? What can you split it with?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or you could have said 30 times 4, right?
Yes.
And that's 120. So then you bring that out. That is 2 root 30 plus 6 times 2 outside there, and root 30. That will be 230 plus 12 root 30. And you're going to add 2 and 12 together to
Yes.
14, 30. It's correct. Okay, before we round up, going to pick one more. Or let me just give you 2 to try as assignment. Okay? So this one I have 6, 2, 4, 5 root 36. So assignment 6 root 6 is 6 root 6 plus 2 root 24, 2 root 4, then plus 5 36. 5 root 36. This is 24a. Let me clean that and write. So 2 root 6 plus, 6 root 6 plus 2 root 24 plus 5 root 36. That's 1. Then second one, 6 root 16 plus 2 root 24. 6, 16 is 2. So just write it as assignment. So that is where we're going to be starting today. The grace of God tomorrow, other subjects. by 8 a.m. as well. So I'll be 8 to 10 in the morning. All right, so do have a nice day.